Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is your ultimate power solution, keeping your devices charged for days. Imagine charging your iPhone 6 times over, or fully powering up multiple gadgets on a single charge. That's the incredible capacity you get. For anyone seeking a reliable portable charger for travel, work, or emergencies, this powerhouse means never searching for an outlet again. But it's not just about capacity. Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology intelligently detects your device to deliver the fastest, safest charge possible. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for you and a friend, or your phone and tablet. Many power banks are slow or clunky, but the PowerCore 20000mAh combines massive power with smart, efficient delivery in a surprisingly sleek design. This isn't just a battery, it's peace of mind, ensuring your essential electronics stay powered when you need them most, making it a truly smart investment. If you're ready to upgrade your portable power setup, click the Amazon link in the description below to grab your own Anker PowerCore 20000mAh. Don't miss out on having the best portable power bank for 2025 and beyond. Check it out today. Highly recommended for anyone needing robust, intelligent, and reliable on-the-go charging.